This video shows how to connect and install an HP LaserJet Pro printer to a wireless network with a USB cable. First, power on your printer. From your computer, navigate to the driver installation file. Double-click the file to open the installer. During the installation, Windows might ask you to confirm if you want to open the file or allow changes to your computer. Click Run, Continue, or Yes to continue the installation. The installation files extract. If prompted, click Yes. The installer launches. From the Software Selection screen, you can customize your software installation by clicking Customize Software Selections. HP recommends you install all software to get the most out of your HP printer. Click Next.
Before heading ahead into the video, in case you are facing any issue with your HP printer device, get in touch with our HP printer expert.
The installer prepares the software for installation. Click Next. Depending on your printer, a connection screen might appear. Select Help me set up a first-time connection. Select Yes to connect the printer to the same network as the computer you are using. Alternatively, you can select No to enter the wireless settings manually. Click Next. Select No, help me configure my wireless settings manually, and then click Next. The installer detects the printer and configures the wireless settings. Confirm that the wireless settings are correct for your network and select Yes, use settings from the computer. Click Next to apply the wireless settings to the printer. The printer software installs. The installation process might take several minutes. From the Product Configuration screen, select your desired options, and then click Next. Web Services enables and configures for your printer. Click Next. For faster service, more efficient support, and product support alerts, register your printer with HP. Click Finish to complete the installation. Your printer is installed and ready for wireless printing.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to smash that like button and hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss any of our videos. And in the case face any problem, get in touch with the experts.